Hey everyone. So we just passed $50,000 not too long ago. This is the 1 minute chart, so we're looking at less than an hour ago, since these aren't 60 candles or anything right here. But I wanted to try and capture what's been going on with the trading because, like I've said before, this is exactly how the rich people are getting in. You're seeing these large blocks, that's not that big, but, occasionally you'll see, let's see if we scroll up here. They're coming in and out, but at the 250, at the 500, and even at the $600 mark, 50,600 is what I mean. You could see that the block of the wall of sale of Bitcoin for sale was just enormous, and so it was being eaten up. And what I found interesting is that it was allowed to be eaten up, I think, at a certain pace, and if it was going too fast, then they backed off because that's exactly what happened. I don't think I'll be able to capture it here again, but I did find that really interesting because there was a huge bid. There was, man, it was like 70, I think, Bitcoin or something that was on the bid, which is, millions. No, maybe it wasn't 70, but it was a large, it was like $850,000 when I did the math at the time, but that bid was allowed to eat up, it was probably about 100 Bitcoin at the $50,500 price, and it just sat there. And then, once the price started to get eaten away a little bit, and when it went down by half in about a second, then that sell wall backed off immediately, and the price was allowed to go back up. That is how I'm seeing that. I think some of these large institutions are getting into Bitcoin, is that they're creating liquidity crises, not liquidity, but they're trying to create liquidity. So kind of saw some buying, some flashing green there. I still don't see these walls, so maybe they're just allowing whoever they are just allowing it to move up at the moment. Pretty interesting, pretty awesome to see finally legitimately above $50,000. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like I'll be able to capture what's been going on here at the moment. But anyway, we crashed $50,000, 52, 55, 60, 65, 75. Here we come.